Extracting data from SurveyMonkey allows you to analyze survey responses more effectively. Here's how you can do it. Log into SurveyMonkey. Go to SurveyMonkey's website and log into your account. Access your survey. From the dashboard, select the survey for which you want to extract data. Go to the Analyze Results tab. Click on the Analyze Results tab at the top of the page. This section contains all the responses to your survey. Filter and view data. Before exporting, you can apply filters to view specific data subsets. For example, you can filter responses by date, respondent, or specific answers. Export data. Click on the Export button, usually located on the right side of the Analyze Results page. You will have several options for export formats: summary data, raw data, individual responses. Download the file. Once you choose the format, click Export and SurveyMonkey will generate the file. After processing, you'll be able to download it to your computer. Analyze the data. Use Excel, Google Sheets, SPSS, or another tool to further analyze the exported data.